All right, putting the water signs up here. And these three things are, okay, so I'll just give a general backdrop. The club signs represent water. So in astrology, these are the water houses. Jack, cardinal water is Cancer. Mutable water is Pisces. Fixed water is Scorpio. But we're not going to reference those as those GIFs. But I'm just giving a little backdrop here because I know the cube is new to a bunch of people. Okay, so these are the three stomachs. And these are the root cards because these represent halves of the planetary energies, the polarities. The Cancer is the other half of Leo. Pisces is the other half of Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, and blah, blah, blah. But we don't call those Jupiter and stuff like that because, like I said before, I'm not looking at a telescope at night, figuring out where the planets are and then coming back and using this system and plugging in some, dialing in some degree, And just we're living in a deception planet. So a lot of people have been deceived. And this cube here, the more I study it, the more it's revealing to me, And I'm seeing that. And Cancer was one of them. And the Jack of Clubs card, if you look at Western astrology, Cancer and Leo are the only ones that aren't governed by an actual planet, but the sun and the moon, and you have moons on different planets, and apparently you have suns, different suns on different planets, but the planet here is Earth, and where is the Earth planet in astrology, in Western astrology, and it's not there. So I just, the cube showed me here that break this 12 card system down into 6 planets. And, if you're into that, the Western astrology recognizes as planets, but in the cube, we call them a planet because this is the root card, and then the Leo card is the fruit of this planetary, this union of these energies. So the Cancer card and the Leo, as you know it in Western astrology, they have one planetary ruler, which is the planet of Earth and the cube. But that was revealed to me. A lot of other things were revealed too. But moving on, the three stomachs. This represents the Jack of Clubs represents the stomach in your tummy, like your actual tummy. The Queen of Clubs card represents the brain, okay? And one thing that helped me with that was looking at the intestines in the stomach and then looking at the brain matter and seeing how they were both stomach tissue. Like not stomach and the tummy tissue, but both of the same tissue. And then you look here, and this stomach here is the heart. So they're generally all made from the same tissue or material, and they act in a stomach manner, regardless of how mysterious what I said may be, to whoever knows what about the heart and the stomach and the brain being the three major, the three stomachs. And what's indicative to a stomach is that I've seen here, just translating what the cube's showing me, the club card has 3 chambers in it. So it's something you put in it, something that happens, and something that it kicks out. The stomach, these are like a process card. So anyway, the tummy, the brain, and the heart.